Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new Watch Me DigiScrap video for you. In this spread, I will be using both the October 31 bundle and the Good Life October bundle, both from Pixel Scrapper. And I really kind of struggled to get this spread finished because on one side of the spread I have these very Halloween-y photos. There's lots of purple and orange and just kind of weird colors. And then on the other side, it's more just kind of regular life photos. So to get them, I don't know, cohesive was kind of a struggle for me. I didn't want to use just a straight up Halloween bundle, even though the right side is very Halloween-y. But luckily I had made this back in October so that the Halloween bundle actually coordinates with the regular Good Life bundles. So it came out okay in the end. I think all the purple there on the right side did just kind of throw me through a loop. But you do what you do and you gotta move on. So it's best not to overthink these things too much if you can. I don't know, I guess my photos are usually more cohesive than they were this week. So I'm just going through here like I usually do, just putting all the papers in the background first, and then I will come back and put my elements on top. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.